Hello, welcome to La La Land. We're just gonna jump straight in. You need some bleach, 30 volume developer, and mix the bleach until it's like a thick, creamy consistency, but not too drippy, I guess is the word I'm looking for. But as you can see here, just gonna speed through this. I'm just applying it straight to my head. And right here, I'm actually parting it so that I can get in the roots. And now I'm just gonna comb it through. This is gonna help get the bleach in thoroughly and evenly distributed throughout my head. And y'all probably like, why is she combing my hair like that with that little rat tail comb? Y'all, I have 4C hair, okay? My hair is built to last. It can take a lot, so I'm good. Also, don't let bleach sit on your skin the way that I did. It's just not good for your skin. It can break your skin out. I mean, it is bleach. And also make sure you have on gloves because it can burn your skin off. I've experienced that before and it hurts like yeah. Alright, so right here I'm going to wash the bleach out of my hair. I highly suggest you get you some neutralizing shampoo, but it was a crunch for time and I'm balling a budget, honey. So I had to use my good old VO5. And if you don't have neutralizing shampoo, just get you some very clarifying shampoo that has, sulfates or something in it to really get the bleach out. Do 2 washes. I didn't show my second wash, but here is the dye that I'm using. It's Kiss Express. It's like ooey gooey. All right, you get the point. Let's keep. Okay, let's go. Anyways, yeah, it stank. That dye stank. I don't know what it smelled like. It just stank. Like, ugh. It smelled like pen ink, and it was burning my scalp. I'll probably never use this dye again, but that's all they had in the beauty supply store. This is it when it's all applied and all over my head. I also went and did the same thing where I combed through just to make sure it's evenly distributed. And I hate it. I absolutely hated it. But I'm going to insert some clips and videos at the end so that you can see.